ABC Educational Channel. Today let's have an English vocabulary. Using a question, what nationality are you? Are you ready? Let's begin. What nationality are you?
I am German and I am from Germany.
What nationality are you? I am Turkish and I am from Turkey. What nationality are you? I am French and I am from France. What nationality are you?
I am Brazilian and I am from Brazil.
What nationality are you?
I am Chinese and I am from China.
What nationality are you? I am American and I am from America. What nationality are you?
I am Canadian and I am from Canada.
What nationality are you?
I am Egyptian and I am from Egypt.
What nationality are you?
I am Japanese and I am from Japan.
What nationality are you? I am Indian and I am from India. What nationality are you?
I am a Filipino and I am from the Philippines.
What nationality are you?
I am Thai and I am from Thailand.
What nationality are you? I am Australian and I am from Australia. What nationality are you? I am Korean and I am from Korea. What nationality are you? I am Mexican and I am from Mexico. What nationality are you?
I am Indonesian and I am from Indonesia.
What nationality are you? I am Italian and I am from Italy.
What nationality are you?
I am Vietnamese and I am from Vietnam. What nationality are you? I am Colombian and I am from Colombia. What nationality are you?
I am Indian and I am from India.
What nationality are you? I am Russian, and I am from Russia. What nationality are you? I am French, and I am from France. What nationality are you? I am Swedish, and I am from Sweden. What nationality are you?
I am South African and I am from South Africa.
What nationality are you? I am Cambodian, and I am from Cambodia.